So hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today is the second day of that series 100 days 100 interview question. So today we're gonna discuss on the second interview question, that is what is a read mode in Spark. So there's three modes in Spark, basically read modes. First is permissive, second is drop malformed, and third is fail fast. So in which scenario we will use which one, we will see in upcoming slides. So basically read modes define how Spark behave when it encounters bad or corrupt records while reading the data. So whenever we are sending any data for ingestion, so first it, like, basically this read modes will only define how it will behave, how it will encounter that corrupt record, based on this based on the different modes. So if first is the permissive mode, so what it means basically, so permissive mode is basically a default mode. So whenever we need a default mode, we can directly use this permissive, no need to define that part. After that, keep malformed recorded, invalid field sets to null, and can capture corrupt record. So what is happening? Whenever we will use this permissive mode, Spark does not fail when it encounters the bad records. So suppose we have this example. So if you will see here, input CSV, input data, we have ID, name, and age. ID is 1 to 3, name is Alias, Bob, Charlie, age is 30, ABC, and 25. So if you will see here in the age, line number second, in the age, it's written ABC. So while seeing the record, we can identify this is the bad record. So, but if we have given the mode while reading the data is permissive mode, what it will do, it will just give a null value. It will not reject this data. So if you will see here, if you will see here, ID, name, and age, and this value is basically a corrupt record. Okay. So what it will do, instead of giving the age, it will give the null value for this particular data. So for this ABC, A2, Bob, and ABC, in the age it will come as a null. So what is the use cases of this permissive data permissive mode? So basically branch and raw ingestion, streaming pipeline, and unreliable source data whenever we have. Second mode is our drop malformed mode. So drop malformed mode is basically Spark silently drop malformed record, no errors, no corrupt columns. So whenever we will define this drop malformed mode, so what it will do, it will silently, basically it will not do anything. It will simply delete that particular record. Job will not fail and no corrupt record tracking will come. So for example, this is the data. This is the syntax of reading the data. Here in the option mode, we have written the drop malformed. So what it will do, simply it will delete this ABC is record to Bob and is was ABC. So this record will get completely removed. In the output result, we will get only this two record. In which scenario we are using drop malform? So data quality is mostly reliable. Bad record have no business value, and downstream system expect clean schema. So on that scenario, we will use this drop malform use cases. So third is fail fast. Fail fast is basically whenever we will use this fail fast mode, whenever it finds the any corrupt record, it will simply fail the job. Okay, so job fails immediately. Strict schema enforcements prevent bad data progression. So simply it will stop the it will fail that job, and it will stop that complete pipeline, if we'll say, or anything. Job stop, no output will get produced. So suppose we have this syntax here in the mode we have written in the fail fast. So whenever we will use this fail fast, and any corrupt record will come, job fail with parsing exception. Okay. So when we are using this, so whenever we have curated gold layer or any silver layer is there, any financial data is there which we have to maintain, and third, strong data contracts. So if it will impact the client, the data on the scenario, we are using that fail fast. So simple comparison is permissive, no failure, no data loss. Drop malform, no failure, data loss. Fail fast, job failure, no data loss. Um, what is a basically senior engineer decision rule? Branch, whenever we'll use a permissive, we'll use that branch layer. Silver, whenever we are using drop, whenever we have data in the silver layer, so we can use drop malform. And when we have the gold layer, we can use a fail fast. So in interview one-liner answer, I choose Spark read mode based on data criticality, permissive or ingestion, drop malform for cleaning, and fail fast for business critical output. So this is overall about the modes in that Spark. Whenever we want to read the data, which mode we can use and which scenario we have to use which modes. So that's it for from this video. We'll come up of another video. Thank you so much.